Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make henna paste at home. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So here I have some black pepper, some cloves and a teaspoon of coffee powder, and I'm going to add in some water and I'm going to mix this. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box. So here I added um, half a lemon juice, and I'm going to mix this, and then I'm going to cover it with a plastic wrap and let it sit for 10 minutes. So now after 10 minutes I'm going to remove the plastic wrap and I'm going to put it aside. Then take another bowl and put henna powder in it. Then I'm going to add in the water mixture and mix this. As you can see, I'm adding the water mixture little by little until I get the consistency needed. So I ended up adding all the water mixture, as you can see, and I'm going to mix this, and I will show you the thickness that is needed after mixing well for about 10 to 15 minutes. You have to mix well until the color changes to brown. As you saw in the beginning, my henna paste was green, and now the color has changed into brown. So I'm going to put a little of the henna paste on my finger and let it sit for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you how it will look like. So it has been 10 minutes. Now I'm going to wash my hand and show you the henna stain. So as you can see, the henna stain looks so good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please try to make it at home and I'm sure you'll like it.